Photographer and monsoon chaser Brian Snyder was taking time-lapse footage of a storm in the Tucson area when he captured this incredible weather event, a wet microburst. Microbursts affect an area of no more than 2.5 miles across, and they occur when a cooled, heavier column of air sinks rapidly in the middle of a thunderstorm. As the air hits the ground, it spreads out with great force, often generating winds of over 150 miles per hour. In the case of a wet microburst, it also brings crashing rain, often described as a rain bomb. Thunderstorms are frequent and quickly forming at this time of year in Arizona, but to capture a microburst so vividly was a special event.